Good morning, student. Yesterday we taught about geometrical progression in which the nth term is given by a into r raised to n minus 1 and sum of n terms is given by a into r raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1 if r is greater than 1 and Sn is a into 1 minus r raised to n upon 1 minus r if r is less than 1 and s infinite a upon 1 minus r. If the number of elements in that geometrical progression is infinite, number of terms, in that case the sum of that is given by a upon 1 minus r. ये हमने कल पढ़ लिए. अब इन पर बेस्ड प्रॉब्लम्स डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं. Exercise 9.3. In this exercise, first we are taking the first problem. Question number 1. Given GP is geometrical progression is 5 by 2, 5 by 4, 5 by 8 and so on and so forth. What we have to do in this case? Find the 28th term and nth term of this GP. First we have to find out 20th and then find out nth term of this GP. To find the 20 term, first we have to find a and r's value. The first term a is 5 by 2 here. This is the first. And now we want to find out common ratio r. And this common ratio r is calculated as a2 upon a1. इसके थ्रू अपन निकालते हैं. अब a2 upon a1 में क्या चीज आ रही है? Let's see here. The A2 is 5 by 4 divided by 5 by 2. We are making the reciprocal of this one. 5 by 4 into 2 by 5, that is 1 by 2. So our common ratio is 1 by 2 here. Now the number of terms n is 20 here. We have to find out 28 term. So A20 is given by a r raised to n minus 1 यानी 20 minus 1. Now substitute the value of a and r here. The value of a is 5 by 2 and r is 1 by 2 power 19. So what we have to do in this case? 5 separately and here is 2 raised to 20. So 1 upon 2 raised to 20. Answer. No need to solve this. Leave it like this one. This is our 28th term. Now we want to find out nth term. And nth term is given by an is equals to a into r raised to n minus 1. The value of a is 5 by 2 and r is 1 by 2 n minus 1 and it will become 5 into 1 by 2 की power n. That's all. जैसा इसमें किया वैसा इसमें कर. So this is the way to find out nth term. तो ये अपना जीपी का पैटर्न है जिसको अपन यूज करते हैं. Now the next problem we are taking here is the third question. According to this problem, what we have in a GP, the 5th, 8th and 11th term are PQR. 5th, 8th and 11th term these are, fifth term is P, eighth term is Q, and 11th term is R. This is given. And what we have here, fifth term's formula A5 is A R raised to 4, that is P. Eighth term formula A8 is A R raised to 7, R raised to 7 Q. And 11th, A11 is A R raised to 10 R. तो अब यहाँ R स्मॉल भी है तो अपन इस कॉमन रेशो को कैपिटल में चेंज कर लेते हैं जिससे कंफ्यूजन ना हो। तो अपन ने यहाँ लिख लिया कैपिटल R और कैपिटल R। दिस इज, ये वैल्यूज अपन ने लिख लिया। अब क्वेश्चन क्या प्रूव करवाना चाहता है, लेट्स सी देयर। प्रूव दैट Q स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू PS। So it means this is our S. Q square equals to PS बोला है तो ये 11 टर्म S। तो आइए अपन इसको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं। सॉल्व करने पर अपना क्या बनता है, लेट्स सी। टेकिंग LHS, Q square, which means Q is this one, A R raised to 7 square, which will become A square R raised to 40. And now RHS. What is RHS here? PS. P is A R raised to 4 into S is A R raised to 10. So here A square R raised to 40. तो ये अपना हो गया RHS। आप देख रहे हैं LHS एंड RHS बोथ आर सेम। LHS इक्वल्स टू RHS। तो ये अपना प्रूव करने का तरीका है। तो इस तरह से अपन ये बताते हैं कि ये क्वेश्चन कैसे प्रूव किया जाए। नाउ द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम। नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम वी आर हैविंग हियर। Finding the sum, and we are taking that problem number 7. In 7th problem, what we have here, 0.15, 0.015, the given GP, 0.15, 0.015, 0.0015 and so on. This is our GP जो हमें दे रखी है। और एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द सम ऑफ दिस जीपी फॉर 20 टर्म्स। कितने टर्म्स का सम निकालना है, 20 का। सो n is 20 here, s 20 we have to find out. The first term is 0.15 here, this is our first term, and common ratio r is given by a2 upon a1. The value of A2 is 0.015 and here is 0.15. So what is the value of this one? To remove the decimal sign, I write like this, and here is 1 by 10 we have. So this is the value of R. Now N, A and R, everything we have. The value of R is less than 1. That's why the sum of nth term we are using. Sum of n terms is given by Sn equals to a into 1 minus r raised to n upon 1 minus r, because r is less than 1. ये वाला formula we have to apply. Substitute the values here as 20. first term is 0.15, 1 minus 1 by 10 raised to 20 upon 1 minus 1 by 10. 1 minus 1 by 10, that is 9 by 10, and that 10 will go in the numerator part. So 0.15 into 10 upon 9, this is the reciprocal of this denominator, into 1 minus 1 upon 10 raised to power 20. So this is the way to solve this kind of problem. Here is, if we remove this decimal sign, we have 100 here, so 10 cancel with this one, और 3 से कट कर दूं, 3 times, in this case 5 times, and this 5 cancel this 10 2 times. So what we have here now? In numerator we have 1 and in denominator we have 6. Inside there you can write like this. So 1 by 10 means 0.1. So you can also write 0.1 raised to 20. Answer. This is as 20. ये इसे सॉल्व करने का अपना तरीका है, यानी इसके पूरे डेसिमल के बाद 20 टर्म्स तक लिखना जरूरी नहीं है, पावर लगाकर छोड़ दीजिए. इस तरह से अपन इसे सॉल्व कर लें. Now we are talking about the next problem, and that is our 12th problem. In that, in a GP, the sum of 3 terms are 39 upon 10 and their product is 1. Let 3 terms in GP are A by R, A and AR. The sum of these 3 terms is 39 by 10 according to question. A upon R plus A plus AR is 39 by 10 and their product is 1, which means A upon R into A into AR. This product is 1. So first we are going to solve this one. This R cancel with this R. Here is A cube will become 1. So A is 1. This is the first term. Now substituting this value at this place to get the value of R. So 1 by R plus 1 plus R is equal to 39 by 10. Taking LCM, 1 plus R square is equal to this one. And now cross product of this one. So 10R square plus 10R plus 10 is equal to 39R. अब इसको भी इधर ले आए. So 10R square minus 29R plus 10 is equal to 0. 10 10 ja 100, 25 4 ja 100. Middle term is splitting. This one. Common between first two term is 5R and next two term is minus 2. Inside 2R minus 5. We have this kind of expression. अब इससे R की वैल्यू अपने पास आने जा रही है. इस the first bracket gives us R equals to 2 by 5 and the second bracket gives us R is equals to 5 by 2. This is the way to find out common ratio. So R we have calculated, A we have calculated. What we have to find out in this? The terms are. So now substitute the value of A and R, you will get the terms. A, if A is 1 and R is 2 by 5, then terms 1 upon 2 by 5. Here is 1 and here is 1 into 2 by 5. So it will 5 by 2, 1 and 2 by 5. यदि a की वैल्यू 1 है और r की वैल्यू 2/5 है तो ये अपने टर्म्स हो जाएंगी, इस तरह से फाइंड आउट हो जाती है ये 5/2 एंड 2/5। और यदि r की वैल्यू, इफ यू आर टेकिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ r इज 5/2, then this will become 2/5 and here is 5/2. This term will remain same 1. तो ये अपना इस तरह से इसको सॉल्व करने का पैटर्न बनता है। तो ये अपने जीपी के क्वेश्चंस कैसे सॉल्व करने हैं ये उसका तरीका सिखाया मैंने। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी आर टेकिंग हियर, and that is our 13th problem, in which a GP is given 3 square, 3 cube and so on so forth. What we have to find out in this, how many terms we should take here to get the sum of this GP is 120. So first term a value is 3 and r is 3 square upon 3, that is also 3. Now we have to find out n, and we know that Sn is given by a into r raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1 if r is greater than 1. Then we are taking this, substitute the value, a is 3, r is also 3, n is n minus 1 upon 3 minus 1 is equals to 120. 3 minus 1, 2. Cross product of 2 at this place. So 3 into 3n minus 1 is equals to 240. Divide by 3 in that direction. 3n minus 1 is 80. Adding this minus 1 in that side, 3 raised to n is 81, which can be written as 3 raised to 4. 3 raised to 4, 81. If the base are equal, then powers are also equal. Therefore, the value of n is 4. So, how many terms we take here? 4 terms we have to take to get the sum 120 of this GP. तो इस तरह से अपन ये पता लगा सकते हैं कि कितने टर्म्स उस GP में थी जिनका टोटल 120 बनता है। तो ये अपने इस तरह के प्रोसेस हैं जिनके थ्रू अपन जीपी के क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करते हैं। किसी में एन फाइंड आउट करना, किसी में आर, किसी में फर्स्ट टर्म, किसी में नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स सारी ही फाइंड आउट करनी होती है। रेस्ट प्रॉब्लम्स वी विल डिस्कस टुमारो। थैंक यू।